This is my honest review about the Ledger Nano X crypto hardware wallet. First off, let's dive into the security features. The Ledger Nano X is equipped with a secure element chip ST33, which is designed to store your private keys securely. The chip is EA+ certified, making it tamper resistant and highly secure. Knowing that my crypto assets are protected by such a robust security measures gives me peace in mind. One of the other standard features of the Ledger Nano X is its Bluetooth capability. This allows you to connect to the device to your smartphone via the Ledger Live app, making it incredibly convenient to manage your crypto assets on the go. I find this feature very useful when I need to make quick transactions or check my portfolio without having to connect to a computer. The Ledger Nano X supports over 1,800 cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many ERC20 tokens. The extensive support is fantastic if you have a diverse portfolio. Plus, the device has good storage capacity, allowing to install up to 100 apps simultaneously. This means you can manage multiple types of cryptocurrencies without consistently uninstalling and reinstalling apps. The device itself is sleek and portable with a larger screen compared to the Ledger Nano S. The bigger screen makes it easier to navigate and verify transactions, which is a significant improvement. The two physical buttons on the device are easy to use and provide a easy-to-use confirmation for transactions. On the downside, the Bluetooth feature, while convenient, might raise security concerns for some users. However, the Ledger has implemented strong encryption to ensure that your data remains secure during Bluetooth transmissions. And additionally, the initial setup can be a bit complex for beginners, involving the creation of a secure storage of 24-word recovery phrase, the seed phrase. But if you're dealing with a hardware wallet, you have the similar problems with also the competitors. In summary, the Ledger Nano is a top-tier hardware wallet that combines robust security features with modern conveniences like Bluetooth connectivity. It's a port for a wide range of cryptocurrencies, and its good amount of storage capacity makes it a versatile choice for both beginners and experienced crypto users. And I have found it a reliable and secure way to manage my crypto assets, and I definitely recommend it.